Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your brand visibility with Vimeo, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of brand visibility in the digital landscape. Identify your target audience to tailor your content effectively. Create a Vimeo account if you don't have one already. Choose a relevant username that reflects your brand identity. Upload high-quality video content that resonates with your audience. Optimize your video titles with keywords to enhance searchability. Craft engaging descriptions that summarize your video and include relevant hashtags. Utilize custom thumbnails to make your videos visually appealing. Organize your videos into playlists to improve user navigation. Leverage Vimeo's privacy settings to control who sees your content. Promote your videos on other social media platforms for wider reach. Engage with viewers through comments to build a community around your brand. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to expand your audience. Monitor your video analytics to understand what resonates with viewers. Adjust your strategy based on viewer feedback and performance metrics. Consider using Vimeo's tools for businesses to enhance your branding efforts. Integrate Vimeo into your website to create a seamless brand experience. Explore Vimeo's marketing features, like embedding and sharing options. Stay consistent with your video upload schedule to maintain audience interest. Always maintain a professional tone and style that reflects your brand. Continuously gather insights and adapt your approach for ongoing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.